Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to log on to the science website, as well as how to go about the resources on the website. So I know that on the actual piece of paper that you received, it says to type in www.my.mheducation.com. So you don't want to type in www. You're actually going to start with my.mheducation.com. So that's all you need to put in. Don't put the www. If you do put the www in, then it will not bring you to the correct site. So once you have done that, this is what the site will look like. Now, you will not see the please enter a valid username or please enter a valid password, but this is what the website looks like. So you are going to put in the username. So I'm going to give a sample one. This is not any of the actual students. So dude369, and then I would type in the password, whatever it may be. Now remember, all of the letters must be lowercase, okay? If the letters are capitalized, it is not going to work. All right, so then if you see these little squares appear, that means that it's loading, so you're good to go. So the first time you are logging in, this is what you will see. At the very top on the corner, it says join a class. So you're going to want to click that, and then everyone has the exact same code. So the code you are going to put in, make sure that it's capital letters for this part, okay? YTF1 dash. You need to make sure you put the dashes. Then 1JNH H dash N1MQ. And then you hit submit. So once you've done that, this will appear. This means that this is the book that you are using this time. You're going to click launch. And then this is the website that you will be brought to. Okay? So once you are on this website, you are going to go to the menu and then go to resources. So if you go to resources, this is where you are going to be able to find your book online. So once again, you go to menu and then go to resources. Okay, so the menu is up here and then you hit resources. And then this is what it will look like when you first log on. Now, this is up here. It says each of the different topics that we may talk about. Right now we are talking about energy and motion, but we are not on the module overview. If ever it says overview, that means you will not be able to log on to the science book, the online book. So you need to click it and go to any of the actual lessons. So it doesn't matter if it's lesson 1 or lesson 2, just click on whatever. Okay, and then ebook. So the ebook is what you are looking for. If you click on the ebook, okay, this is the online book. Go ahead and click it, and then your online book opens up. So this is the easiest way to get to it, and this is the book we will be using all year. So if you need to go to page 282, click down here, okay? So this will be able to get you to the page number quickly. You can either slide, or what I like to do is I will actually type in, what did I say, 282? 282, and press enter. So then it will bring me to page 282, and it actually will also give me page 283. Okay, so then you can read it right online. So if you need to go to the next page, you just come over here, click next page, and then it will give you 284, 285. If you need to go back, just press the arrow on this side. Okay, any vocab words are highlighted. Those should be in the Science Social Studies notebook of the kids. If you cannot find it, then there is a glossary located on page 432. Okay, so that's where the glossary will start. So if we have the word force, we go to the F, and then it's all in alphabetical order, find the word force, and then it will give you the definition. So now we're going to say, okay, so this is the first time we log in. Hopefully this helps you if you need to find the online book. This also is helpful if your child forgot their science book at home, because if we are on, for example, right now we're on energy and motion. So if they need to go in their science book that they write in, there is actual pages from the notebook online. So that's the Be a Scientist notebook. So if they've forgotten their book at school, go to the correct lesson, click Be a Scientist notebook, and then you will be able to actually look at that work. So for example, these are, or this is hopefully the questions that the students answered in class yesterday. So if they forgot their book at home or at school and they needed to finish it up, they can just take this. They have the questions that they needed to answer, and if they don't remember what questions they did, they can just do all of them. If they do remember the questions they did, great, the book is already here. They can just do whatever questions they didn't get to. Okay, so this is very helpful for students who often forget their books. They can just do the homework or the extra work that they didn't get to on a separate piece of paper, or in their science social studies science social studies notebook, which is what I suggest, and then bring it in the following day. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. I will be starting to actually put on for each of the science days what the topic is and what lesson we are in, so that way you can never have to ask. You will always just be able to look if they forgot their notebook or their what they're doing. It'll all be on the weekly planner starting next week. That way, if you ever need to go on, it's right there for you. So if we log out, so this is what it will look like again when you log in the second time. So now I'm going to write in the make sure caps lock is off. Mine was not, that's why it was all capitalized. Okay, so all lowercase letters, make sure you're writing in the numbers, and then log in. So the second time you log in, it will still bring you to this page, but you do not need to join a class. It is already here for you. So all you have to do the second time you log in is click it, okay, or launch, okay, and then you are good to go. If you, okay, so right now we're doing energy in motion, energy change in collisions, or transfer of energy, not yet, but we will be doing that later, okay? Whatever it may be, you can go to that here, and then these are the resources that we will be using in class. So, for example, today we are using inertia and momentum. So if the students forget their printout of it at school, or at they lost it somewhere along the way, it should be in their science social studies notebook by the time they come home, but if for some reason it's not, it is right here for you. So these will be all the resources that are not in their online book or their hard book that they write in. So if we watch any videos, it will be here. Any, like this, for example, is about biomedical engineers. So this was a picture that they saw when we were talking about that. So all of that extra stuff will be here for them. Okay, if you have any other questions, please let me know. I will do my best to help you in whatever way I can. Just remember that if you want to go to the book or get any of the the book that they write in's information, go to Menu, Resources, and then whatever topic we're on, you can change it. Or if you just need the online book, it doesn't matter what topic we're on, it doesn't matter what lesson you choose. Any of the lessons or any topics and any lessons from those topics will have the ebooks. So if you're just getting the online book, it doesn't matter where you go to as long as you see that ebook. For the actual Be a Scientist notebook, that does matter which topic we are on and which lesson we are doing. But then you can go ahead and click on whatever you need, so that way you can get the information you need for them. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I will do my best to help you, and I hope this helped. Have a great rest of your day.